Okay, this is a question on the workbook 20D. We try to solve for x, but x is within the log, and also probably you notice here they're different. So we have log 4x, but where we have log x4 here. So we want to make them the same, so we like to change one of the log into a different base. So let's take log 4x, still keep it same. 3 for the log x4, we like to change it to log 4, log 4. So change the base from x to 4, so then we should have put a 4 here and put x here and equal 5. So you can see the log 4 becomes 1. And then if we want to solve for x, so we first want to find out how much log 4x is. So to make it easier to for the equation, so we let y equals log 4x. So then the equation is going to be look like 2y minus, so this is 1, so it's gone, like 3 over y, right? 3 over y equals 5. So you can see the purpose to let y equals log 4x is you want to turn the equation, which looks like complicated, into equation like you're more familiar with. And after we find out y, which is log 4x, then we can in turn to find out x. Okay, so for this equation, we'd like to times y on both sides, y to get rid of the denominator y here. And then it becomes 2y squared minus 3 equals 5y. Now it looks like a quadratic equation. You just need to clean up. So we put a 2y squared and move the 5y into here, and then negative 3. So now we need to so factor, it should be 2y plus 1 y minus 3. So if you're not sure how to do the factoring, so you can pause the video, try a couple different way and you'll figure it out. Okay, and then from this equation to solve y, we let 2y plus 1 equals 0, so we can solve y equals negative 1 over 2. Or we make y minus 3 equals 0, so we can solve y equals 3. Now here you go. Don't forget, you only solved for y, that's not x yet. So we replace the y equals negative 1 over 2 back to the original function there. So neg, so that means the log 4x equals negative 1 over 2. So solve x is going to be 4 negative 1 over 2. So this should be 1 over 2. And then we also let log 4x equals 3. And then you can tell x should equal 4 to the power of 3, right? So how much is, so it's 60, sorry, so it's 64. Okay, so technically you should check your answer. So plug in the x back to the original function. Looks like they're fine. They're x is positive and they should be fine. So that's the solution. Done.